Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Macon County in Middle Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Portland to near Antioch, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Lafayette, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Verne, Mount Juliet, Westmoreland, Melinda City, Rural Hill, Walter Hill, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Tucker's Crossroads, Percy Priest Lake, Gladeville, Bethpage and Oak Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.